Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant to the power button on Oukitel WP50. Go to Settings, then scroll down to System, then Gestures, press and hold power button, and now you can set it to either power menu or digital assistant. When it's set to power menu, pressing and holding on the power button will result in this menu. But when it's set to digital assistant, then when you press and hold on the power button, it will open Google Assistant like that. And to open power menu instead, when digital assistant is assigned to the power button, you need to press two buttons at once, power and volume up. So press them both and it opens the power menu. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.